Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and the game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced not launching on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card's drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'm going to show you how to do it on Intel first and then I'll show you AMD and Nvidia. You're going to come here, click onto support, download centered in. You're going to click onto graphics here. You're going to search for a graphics card here, Intel Arc B580 for example, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer and install them. Now onto AMD, come here, click onto resources and support, click onto drivers in. You're going to scroll down, click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit, click on the operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers on your computer. And now onto Nvidia, come here, click onto drivers in. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series and then model along with your operating system. Click find then, and then it will look for the latest GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to install the drivers on your computer and then you're going to restart it. After you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Assassin's Creed, click onto properties, install files, and then you're going to click onto verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files and then you're going to click onto browse here to go into Assassin's Creed games folder. Or if you want to know where the location is, you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your Steam's folder and then Steam library, now Steam apps, common, and then Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced here. Now you're going to right click on the Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced exe, click onto properties, compatibility, click on to run this program as an administrator and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply, okay, and then close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play Assassin's Creed and you'll see that your game will now launch. You'll not face that problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.